Hey guys, welcome back to Red Baron 59. Today I'm playing with my friend again. Remember him? Today we're checking out the new forest update. It's only for one day. It's the 24-hour event. Let's go. Come on.
Yo, imagine playing paintball with that.
Oh, that would be crazy.
Alright, let's check out the other maps. Let's see what's up with canyons.
No, dude, no, this map. Dude,
What map?
forest.
Nothing changed in canyons.
Forest, dude. Okay, come on. There's a volcano. Okay. Take these. Wait, put these in here? I think we have to put those in there. What? Oh, what's that noise?
Let's go.
Oh. What's going on? Oh crap! It's lava. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! 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 Lava!
I've never been more thankful for pinch climbing in my life.
This is crazy. Is it like floors lava?
Maybe.
We do. No, wait.
Jump in.
Wait, no, we got. Wait, maybe infection does something. Maybe
No,
it's for like.
Watch. I want to do a cannonball. I want to do a cannonball into the thing.
Okay. Gotta make the server. Okay. We have to make this infection. Sorry if I sound sick, guys, because I am. So, okay. Oh no. Is it infection now? No, okay. Come on, we have to.
I just got out of the lava.
Okay, it should work. Yeah, roll.
Stay under there.
Come on. Is it? Oh, it's infection now. Okay.
I know, I tagged you.
Yeah, okay, come on, let's go. Activate the volcano. Buckets. Ah! Okay. Oh, wait, no.
Let me do the last ones.
Okay. Oh. Right. Okay. Oh, I'm it. Yeah. Hey, I would recommend getting out of there. It's gonna be lava.
Oh, it's coming up big.
Hi. Oh, crap. No! No! You better try to run. Oh, right there. I'm done. It's also right here. Oh! If you fall into the lava and you're not it, you become it. Oh, that's so cool. Oh crap. No! Oh my god. No!
You're it.
What's that? No, crap. I could go in the lava. Wait, it's Doug. Well, oh crap. Will Doug die if I? I guess not.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I saw
Wait, how are you in the lava? But
It's 'cause I fell
volcano. Is it the volcano? Like, there's the volcano. Oh, that's crazy.
Still in the lava?
Yeah. This reminds me of like This reminds me of Super Mario Bros.
How?
Like this is like the 8th map, where it's like all the lava. And,
Oh, juked.
Rocket! Just took off for me. I don't know what. Oh, you got me kidding me. I'm stuck. No! What? Get over here. You monkey. Oh, no. Oh, so cold. No. Oh my God.
How?
How did I not fall? I just had the best of luck right now. How did I not fall? I would have been it. For some guardian angel protecting my soul and girl attack. Oh my God, there's a volcano. Justin. Look over there. Look over there. Look over there.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Yo, that's crazy.
I just noticed that. Oh. I don't
How
know.
did we just now notice that? Does that mean there's gonna be a volcano map?
I don't know. That would be really cool if there
Think about
was.
it. Clouds is that giant like stalk, and then it's a cloud. So volcano, it's a giant volcano opposite of clouds.
It must be. You wanna go like try find it, see if there's another map?
Maybe.
Come on. You wanna look in
Where are we
mines?
gonna go?
What about mines? Let's look at mines.
Yeah, let's go to caves. Let's see.
I call it mines, but okay. No, nothing so far. Yeah, I don't think anything happened to mines, caves, whatever.
No, stop. Do this. I'm gonna beat you up. Ow, dude.
It's not my fault.
Ugh, damn school.
Oh, this is the volcano.
I don't want nipple twisted at the proportions. Are you putting the things?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Help me!
I can't.
So close. There it goes.
Oh, that's the top of the woods.
This is so. This.
Well, I'm gonna see if I can outrun the lava. Oh, I outran the lava. But I am kind of in a pickle now. Hey.
I tagged you, then I fell, and now I'm it again. That just shows how stupid I am.
Yeah. Not joking.
I felt sick. Like, seriously, I'm sick. We're all hungry.
I was just it for a second too.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end it there. Like and subscribe, please, and I'll see you later.